how to change your location on your public profile on Snapchat app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit or add or to change your location on your public profile on Snapchat. So first thing, go to Snapchat. This is the home page. Go to the top corner, click on your avatar and scroll down until you find my public profile option. Click on it and it will take you to your public profile. Now all what you have to do is click on edit profile option right here, and now on this page click on location, and now add your city and your state and country, and it will be updated easily and fast. It's very easy, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.